We have to clean up. My mom said I have to clean up my room when I make a mess. Do you have to clean up your room too?
Who took my sparkly stickers?
Not me, but I can't find my robot either.
Maybe if we cleaned up the living room, we'd actually know where our things are.
Yeah.
Hey, you three, do you know where my stickers are?
No.
Okay.
A cleanup quest? I'm in.
Ooh, a challenge. Let's go.
Me too, guys, and we can make it fun. See, when we clean up, we'll find what we need.
And next time we clean as we go.
Ha ha ha, we'll see about that. You know, my little sister never cleans up her toys. I step on toy dolls all the time. It's like a racetrack of pain.
I get it. My little brother Kofi leaves his art supplies everywhere. One time, I sat on a paintbrush. My leggings turned blue.
Sounds like we all need a cleanup mission. Oh, wait. My mom and dad said we can clean up after watching Carl the Collector.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
This
awesome.
episode is about his messy room, filled with plushies and stuffed animals everywhere.
Carl to Sheldon. Carl to Sheldon. Do you copy? Loud and clear. Over. Sheldon. What do you do when you have to put stuff away but don't know where to put it? Over. Please explain. Over. I was talking to my mom about my plushie collection, and she wanted me to organize it, but I don't know how to do that or where to put them all, and they are taking over my room. Over. That's a tough one. You know who has a really clean room? Forrest. Over. Yes, let's ask him if he can help. Over. Roger that. Forrest, it's Sheldon and Carl. Do you copy? Yep, loud and clear. Over. Forrest, Carl here. Sheldon said your room is super clean. Over. You bet it is. Over. Do you want to help me put away my growing plushie collection? I kind of don't know what to do about it. Over. Roger that. I'm an expert at putting away and storing things. Coming right over. Over and out. Okay. I see. Interesting. I love a challenge. I'll have your plushie collection put away in no time. You have to ask yourself, does this spark joy? If not, you're better off without it. My mom said we could put some in the basement, but I don't want to. I don't like it down there. It's too dark. I get it. No plushie gets sent to the basement. Oh look, there's some wasted space under your bed. Yep, just what I thought. We'll utilize the space under your bed for plushies. Great idea. Utilize the space. I'm exhausted. Whoa. I don't think this is working.
Whoa.
He was being weird about cleaning his room and so many plushies. Ha ha ha. Oh no. Look at this mess. How will we ever find our toys?
We need a cleanup crew. Hey, friends at home, can you help us clean up?
Great. Let's start with, what should we pick up first?
Which one goes in the toy bin? The teddy bear or the car? Point to it. That's right. Who said both? The red car and the blue bear. Great job, boys and girls.
Yeah.
Now what about these? Where does the book go? Did everybody point to the bookshelf and backpack? Super cool.
You're doing amazing. Can you help us find 3 more toys to pick up? Look around. Like Amara's sparkly sticker book or Leyland's toy robot?
Clean up, and now we can find all our toys when we need them.
Wow, look how clean the living room is now. I found him! My stickers!
And here's my robot.
Thanks for visiting us and helping us clean up today, guys. Now, Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!